Hello traders and investors. After a lot of hype and anticipation and waiting, it is time for the Trade Ideas limit alerts to now be available to the public. Real quickly, I want to show you, go to the trade-ideas.com page, click the products and scroll down to near the bottom and you will see the newest public TI Pro beta. It's a beta version 4.051. This is the version that now contains the new limit alerts that we're very excited about. And please know and remember that the limit alerts are available to those that have the AI license, artificial intelligence backtesting license we call Holly. And I'm going to start showing you here some demonstrations on how to get the most out of the limit alerts. So going forward, this is something that is interfaced through the charts. And it's a simple right click to bring up a limit alert window. So let's say I'm looking at this daily chart here and this level of interest here in Apple, at the top of this red candle. I can go ahead and right click and create a limit alert. Now I can adjust that price if I want to, but I'm going to leave it there at $98.99, and I'm going to give myself a note in the future when this alert triggers as to what exactly I was thinking at the time. Breakout possibility. Well, when this alert comes up, we'll survey the market and everything and see what's going on and see if this is a trade that would be interesting to take. Once I've created the parameters here and the notes, I just simply click Save, and you'll notice there is now, there we go, there is now a red line showing up in this chart, which will be the level of the alert being triggered on Apple when that does come forward. There's a couple different philosophies and a couple different ways to look at using alerts. For instance, we can set them from above, we can set them from below. Let's say we're looking for a possible pullback like a stock like this AMAG, which has been on our radar for a while. I'm going to use the zoom in tool here, which by the way is the control key on the keyboard and the mouse wheel turning. Let's say that I'm looking for a level of shakeout and a possible new area to bid on a pullback. Well, we can also highlight this level here on AMAG using the daily chart. Right click, create limit alert, pullback opportunity, and we're going to go ahead and set that from above. And what that means is we have set the alert at a current price which is above the future limit alert price. And looking down here, which is our limit alert window, we can see that we just set from above AMAG with our notes, and this will trigger an alert if it does happen, whether it's today or tomorrow or the next day, or as long as that alert is open and working in the status symbol here. Real quickly, the way you access the limit alert window is through the toolbar like everything. It's under the tools link, and just select limit alerts, and that will bring up the limit alert window. So it's pretty basic, nothing but a right click and a couple of notes to yourself, and it is stored away for good. Here's where it gets really interesting. As we can do with most of our settings in Trade Ideas, we can collaborate and share with other people. So for instance, if there's a trader you know that you trust and you have a similar type of trading strategy and you guys both have TI Pro with the artificial intelligence licensing, lifetime licensing, you can take advantage of sharing alerts. You can share them as a single alert, or if somebody is interested in your trading style and wants to participate in what you're seeing in real time, well, we would simply highlight all of our alerts here, shift key and select, and go down and share these 13 limit alert settings. Right click, and this is the typical copy and paste, share the link. I would copy all to my clipboard, and now I can drop that into an email or a chat window or a cloud, whatever works. We really feel that the limit alerts are going to be a fantastic way for traders to stay on their game, especially when you're doing your homework in the evenings or the weekends and you're in that unemotional state of looking at things objectively, not during the market, but after market, as I said. It's a different type of mentality. And when you're doing your homework, you're giving yourselves notes to your future self. Your current unemotional self is giving yourself a note to your future possible highly charged emotional self while you're trading. And it's a great way to set yourself up for some real-time ideas that come to you that you may not have normally seen. And again, we're very excited about the limit alerts. And if you have any questions, feel free to hit us up at info@trade-ideas.com and we'll try and point you in the right direction. But this is a simple tutorial of how to use and share your limit alert settings in an effective way. Happy trading.